By the bright bay of Dublin, while carelessly strolling, I sat myself down by a clear crystal shade, reclined on the beach as the wild waves were rolling. In sorrow condoling, I spied a fair maid. Our hopes changed to mourning that once were so glorious. I sat in amazement to hear her sad tale. Her heartstrings burst forth in wild accents deploring, saying, "Where is my blackbird of sweet Avondale?" Through the counties of Wicklow, Kerry, Cork and Tipperary, the praises of Ireland my blackbird did sing. But woe to the hour when with heart light and airy that he from my arms to Dublin took wing. All the birds in the forest their notes fail to cheer me, not even the song of the sweet nightingale, her note so charming fills my heart with alarm. Since I lost my blackbird of sweet Avondale, oh, the pillars wailed him in hopes to ensnare him. While I hear in sorrow his absence bewail, it grieves me to think that the walls of Kilmainham surrounds my poor blackbird of sweet Avondale. O Erin, my country, awake from your slumbers, and bring back my blackbird so dear unto me, and let every one see by the strength of your numbers that Ireland, a nation, would like to